Do you have an old, outdated 2-foot by 4-foot drop ceiling? You can easily convert it to a more stylish, modern 2-foot by 2-foot ceiling in a few easy steps. 1. Buy and test fit a 2-foot cross tee. You want to make sure you have the right one before buying all the rest. 2. Remove the existing panels. 3. Attach 2-foot cross tees in your grid. 4. Install your selected 2-foot by 2-foot panels. Choose from a variety of 2-foot by 2-foot options, including high-performance panels, which have mold and sag resistance, as well as noise-reducing properties. Decorative panels, which have unique designs and grid-blending edge details. PVC plastic panels, which are washable, stain-resistant, and impact-resistant. Swapping out your 2-foot by 4-foot panels for stylish 2-foot by 2-foot panels is a quick, cost-effective way to update your ceiling and freshen up your space. Visit our website at ceilings.com for a full list of products.